So one thing I noticed about these Coyote tractors is there's some bolts, and those have just kind of fallen out. I don't know how important they are. The loader's still functioning fine. I noticed this the other day, and I was like, yeah, I should probably get some new ones and put them in there. I think both of my front tractor tires are leaking air. This one I'm almost certain because there's a nail right here. Right here, it's kind of coming out at a angle. Found the culprit on this one, right there. Looks like a Phillips screw. There it is. Doesn't even look like a screw. I think all the threads are gone. There, I just throw it in the yard so you can get another flat tire someday. Alright, that should work much better, the loader and tractor just in general. I think my battery might be out of juice. I'm gonna go get my little portable jumper, but it should be pulling that up. The tractor can move that really easily on its own. I don't know what's going on. you're probably wondering why I just took it off of there. The wheelbase is too wide. It's a box truck. Of course, it's not going to fit on a regular vehicle trailer. Once more into the breach, dear friends. Got the battery charged up. Hopefully that winch can pull it up, and between that and the tractor, get it on the trailer. I gotta show you how close this is to not fitting on this truck. Where I cut that is touching stabilizer bar there. And right here, the back ramp is just touching the bumper. That was close. Well, we'll see. Hopefully the other one shuts. Let's find out. Woo! Got it. Well, I lost the cotter pin. I'm never gonna find that thing. Found it. I really want these tires off of here. They're in really good shape. They're definitely going to go on my truck once these ones wear out. Yes, got it. Okay. All right, there you go. I think that was the last one. This one's actually got two. And this other one, you need like a square hex thing for it. Well, I managed to have a blowout on the way to the scrapyard. I miscalculated the wheel well here was being pushed by the gas can of the old truck, and so the wheels were spinning against this metal. And as they spun, of course, the rubber melted off. I noticed the white smoke maybe a mile from my house, and I was like, "Oh, I better pull over and see what's going on." And then pop, there she blew, and pulled into this nice driveway here. Talked to the property owner. They're fine with me fixing this. I should hopefully have it done, depending on the tire place, either later today or hopefully first thing tomorrow morning. So getting this on here is going to be doubly difficult, or it was doubly difficult because I loaded down the truck on this trailer wrong. So basically, there's way too much weight on this end of the trailer, and if I take that jack out, the whole trailer tongue will just fly up in the air. This isn't a lot of weight. I mean, this is maybe 1 ton tops, so it's not like horrible for the trailer. I think it's within limits, but anyway, so I got to use this to get the tongue onto the hitch. Trailer is back in business. That was 25,140 coming in. All right, today was 8,960 pounds at 150 bucks a ton. That comes out to $672. Not too bad.